Hi, Jen.
Hi, Jazz. Have you been holding up?
I'm getting there. Slowly. I just miss her so much. It's like I have half a brain, and I just can't function the same.
Only a writer could put it like that. Listen, I'm going up to the house this weekend to pack up the rest of Mom's stuff. It'd be a big help if you came. Plus, it might be good for us, you know? Give us some closure.
Scratching the sand, let go of his hand. He says he's a beautician, sells you nutrition, keeps all your dead hair for making up underwear. Poor little greenie.
Jen! Jazz! I didn't hear you come in. That's because you had the music blasting. I've been going through a bunch of Mom's old stuff, and you wouldn't believe some of the things I found. Do you remember this? Where's that from? Mom won it at that family barbecue. We used to play with it all the time. She was so proud. Oh yeah! Didn't it used to be orange though? Must have faded in the sun, but whatever. Forget the frisbee. I have to show you the old scrapbook I found. Look at all these photos from our day trips. Mount Tammany, Bushkill Falls, Hickory Run State Park. And look, that's Mom. She's on the beach at Lake Naomi. Jazz, are you alright? It's just a lot. Just looking at pictures of Mom and us. Listen, I was thinking, what if we went back to those old trails? We could hike them, we could spend days where we used to with Mom, relive those memories. You don't have to if you don't want to, but I think it'd be good. I know you've been hurting. I could tell on the phone. But I think this will help. It's just so surreal. Just I'm here living my life and Mom's in the dirt. You know Mom, if her soul's happy anywhere, it's in the earth. You're right. She used to lecture us about the nature of all things and how we just become a part of the planet in the end. What do you say? Want to hike our secret trail tomorrow morning? beautiful. They were Mom's favorite, you know. Do you remember what she said about them? They represent a love for nature, and that's why they were her favorite. I now realize that she was what ignited my passion for writing. She certainly was a profound thinker, like you. You were right. Right how? This helped. It helped me. Some of the fondest memories we have with Mom were right here, around home. And just reliving those today, it made me feel like she was with us, in spirit or something. All right, Jazz. I think all this walking around has gotten to you. Maybe.